Hey, welcome to my crib. Alright, this is a 2012 little guy trailer, and I'm going to be doing some boondocking with it. So I want to just take you on a little tour. So follow me. Alright, so I'm inside my house, and this is it. I got my bed set up. What I did for a mattress is I just have a single air mattress in here, mattress pad, and then I got a mattress topper for it to make it a little more comfortable at night. And then I had some old bedding sheets. I just threw that on top of it to make it much more comfortable. So that should be pretty good. Inside, I've got plenty of room. It's just gonna be me most of the time. So I have plenty of room over here for storage. I actually have a toilet over here I can talk about in a minute. And I set up some other things in here to make it a little bit more comfortable. Starters, I actually have a fan on top. This is a fantastic fan. So it's reversible. It goes, has air coming in, and you can do air going out if you want to 3-speed. Just makes it a lot nicer. I also have a portable fan that I'll be camping with in extreme heat conditions. And then for any winter camping I may be coming across, I actually thermal wrapped the entire camper to make it a lot more comfortable in colder climates. And I bought a little space heater, and that space heater should work pretty well for me. It's a small setup, so it should be just fine. I'll put a link in the description for the heater that I got. I did install solar on the top, and I wanted to have renewable energy on the go. I didn't want to have to worry about shore power places because I'm going to be doing a lot of off-grid camping. I actually have some storage here that I've set up. Right now it's just kind of some junk drawers, getting prepared for any traveling I might be doing. This works pretty well. It's literally just a plastic shelving that I taped to the top of the trailer. So it's just literally just duct taped up there. It was the best way to do it, but it's working pretty well. It's holding, and it's everything. I put little Velcro right here to keep these drawers closed so they don't come open while I'm traveling. I actually have these nice doors up here where I'm gonna be storing some clothes when I go camping. And I wanted to do some more, keep the heat inside this when I'm actually camping in the cold. So this is actually thermal wrapping that I put installed in the camper. It's very easy to take down if it gets too hot for any reason. But I'm gonna be using this whole area for storage of clothing. And then it's pretty lit up in the camper. The trailer has some inside lights, which actually work pretty well. There's 2 of them. But I installed some more lighting, and some of the lighting that I installed is up here. These little tap lights. There you go, tap that. For inside the closet, so when I'm actually trying to get clothes out, it's easy to find. These doors go all the way down. And I just have more thermal wrapping in there right now. This piece of thermal wrapping can go over the doors for cold climates. And I also have one, I just have Velcro up here where I can actually adhere the Velcro up there as well. So when it comes to doing your business when you're camping, I'm okay with going outside. I'm a guy, it's one of the many privileges we have. We can pretty much go wherever. But there's also gonna be times gonna have to go outside when it's raining or it's super cold, and that doesn't sound so much fun. So I went ahead and invested in this. It's a little camping toilet, and that's what I was just sitting on inside the trailer, so it is fine for me. It's a little tight. I'm 6 foot, and this camper probably sits, well, I'm hitting my head with it, and I'm kind of leaning up on my knees. But totally works for me. This is a great option for anybody looking to do get a little more privacy maybe in their camper. I'll put a link in the description where I got this. I'll do a little breakdown of this toilet in another video so you can see how it works. These doors open up and they have a window right here which locks down, and you can hold it up at night, and it creates some airflow through the camper, but I knew that wasn't going to be enough for me. It's a very small window, so I wanted to have a bigger window here and keep the door open at night, have some good flow going through, but I didn't want any bugs. So I installed these mesh netting that you can find online, thousands of places, and they're made for regular doors, so I had to cut them down, but they work pretty well for me. I actually put some Velcro in there so I can actually just fold this back, and then it's easier for me to crawl into the camper whenever I need to get into. So the great thing about this particular trailer is it has this galley area. That's one of the reasons I really enjoyed it. I do like to cook, so I wanted an easy place to set up at night and do some cooking. I didn't want to do a lot of prep. So this gave me a nice big space here. When I travel, the table, or the stove rather, can go right here. And the great thing about the stove is me and my friend helped me build this. It actually just folds right out. Dinner is served. So very easy to set up. I can actually take this with me on the go. I wanted to be able to throw it in my car if I want to, and do some cooking on any other sites if I'm not gonna have the trailer with me. I got plenty of prep area back here to cook. There'll also be some storage for food and dishes. And so yeah, everything's pretty set up for me. I've got some built-in lighting here, making it very easy to work in at night. The camper has its own lights, which are great. And I even have just some places to put like paper towels and things. So yeah, that's my setup. It's pretty simple, but it works for me. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. This is my crib when I'm away from home. Now get out of here.